Hi there, listen up. While I was doing some research for my new online academy the other day, I came across two kinds of people. The first kind, those who want to make money, and the second kind, those who want to improve their communication skills. So, when I came across these two kinds of people, I've seen strange and a peculiar thing, which is they both want money. See, people who want to make money are, actually looking to solve some sort of problem, be it a financial problem or be it like, providing for their family or whatever it is. So they're looking for some money or some opportunities that can help them make money so that they can solve a problem, right? This is one kind of people. The other kind, they want to improve their communication skills so that they can get into a high paying job so that they can make some decent income. Again, here the money comes into picture. See, here their ultimate goal is not to make money, or they're not after money. What they're after is either they want to get out of a painful situation or they want some kind of pleasure, be it solving a problem or be it enjoying some sort of pleasure, be it driving a nice car or riding a nice bike or wearing good clothes or branded clothes. You're getting my point, right? So these are the two kinds of people I came across while I was doing research for my new online academy. Here is the strange thing. If you observe, there are 1.5 billion people, English learners. These are English learners. 5.5 billion English learners are out there. And there are 1.75 million native English speakers, and the rest are non-native English speakers, and everybody is trying to speak English. I don't know the reason, be it getting into a high paying job, or be it because speaking in English could help their business go to the next level. Whatever it is, English plays a very prominent role. Why am I telling you all this? I'm telling you all this because almost all successful people have the ability to communicate their ideas, their opinions and their views to others. This is called a $1 million skill. Everybody, they just look it as a language, and then they try to learn to speak English for some sort of, social status or some sort of like a hobby, or so that they can get a good job. No, you can actually monetize your communication skills. You can actually monetize your knowledge of English. Nobody told me this, but I figured it out. See, usually most of us, we want money to solve our problems, day-to-day problems, and provide to our for our family, and then we can buy whatever the things that we want to buy and that we have been dreaming of buying. We can do this without looking at the price tags. But when we go to a mall, when we look at the price tags of the things that we like, we just leave it there and we come back. Why? Because we don't have money. But here is the best part. If you know how to communicate and if you know the knowledge of English, then you can literally go from rags to riches. You don't need money, and you don't need family background, a rich family background, or you don't need any sort of high paying or high professional degrees like MBA, MCA, BTech, MTech. No, you don't need those things at all. All you need is good communication skills and the knowledge of English. If you have these two things, you can literally go from rags to riches. If you do not know how, just let me know in the comment section below, or just DM me personally. I'll tell you how. But here is the quick sneak peek I can give you. All right. First, you learn to speak English fluently, confidently, and effortlessly. All right. The second thing is use your communication skills to get yourself a high-paying job. And from there you can use your high-paying job to make you rich. Most of the people say that I want to quit my job because I don't enjoy time. but that's not the case. See, I agree that 9 to 5 job is the dead end job and it sucks. Only when you don't have a goal, or only when you don't have the desire to become rich, when you do not have a goal to make yourself rich or to make yourself financially independent, then that job will be a dead end job for you. You're getting my point? So what you can do is you can leverage your high paying job to make you rich, and you can quit your job once you start making on the side apart from your full-time job, and then you can work on your the side hustle. You're getting my point, right? So anybody can literally quit their job, or anybody can literally become financially independent in next 3 years starting today, using nothing but English. If you have good communication skills and the knowledge of English, or even if you do not have good communication skills and the knowledge of English, just let me know in the comment section below, or DM me personally, and I'm available on Instagram, Facebook, and even you can go to my YouTube channel, which is Joe Sunny K. I'm telling you, this is communication skills and the knowledge of English helped me where I am today, and I'm working a full-time job, which is a high-paying job for me, and I am launching my new online academy, which is going to make me a hell lot of money. All right, so this is not just a theory, it is already proven, and there are countless stories out there. If you want, you can go out and Google it for yourself, and then you can decide for yourself. You don't need anything, you don't need a family background, and you don't need any high professional degree. All you need is good communication skills and the knowledge of English. Even if you do not have good communication skills and the knowledge of English, I'm here to help you. Just let me know in the comment section or DM me personally. So what I'm trying to tell you, English is the $1 million skill which can help you go from rags to riches. Trust me, it works. It worked for me, it worked for others, and it works for you as well. All right, I'll see you in another video. Until then, happy learning.